We're ready? Yep. This is the mount of our 61, 62 rear flush mount bumper. As you can see, the inside of it is finished off like the outside of it. It has the 5 same mounting locations that an original bumper has. This bumper is designed to be tucked in tight. Okay, so you got about 3/16 of an inch that you're going to play with there to make it off nice, finish off the edge. Everything you got to do, pretty much body work it, because you're dealing with where 2 panels come together here, taillight panel, quarter panel. Every car is going to be a little bit different, so don't be surprised if you got to play with things to make it fit, and make everything fit before you do anything as far as going to paint. So this is our fasteners we're using. They all have a fixed washer that spins. They're all 5/16 by 18. The bumper has the original mounting locations, and so the one that's 7/8 of an inch is going to go in the outer corner. And these go right back through the steel impact bar that's originally with the car. That's a 7/8 long. This bottom one is 1 inch long. And keep in mind, if you're not putting that impact bar in there for some reason, these bolts have to be shorter on the bottom, because if not, they're going to hit out here. These are designed to go with the impact bar. And then your upper bolt. Upper bolt's 1.25 inches long. So you saw it located on the car, bolted to the car. It's a flush mount bumper. You're going to fit it to the car. You're going to work your edge and get it perfect to the car. And so this is made to be bolted where all of our bolt holes, our threaded bolt holes, are lining up. And it's designed to use that steel impact bar. Biggest thing you got to keep in mind is not to use too long of a bolt in the bottom, because you could hit the outside of the bumper and put a mark in it. So from the back side, you see these bolts go right in there. And they're made to go with the steel impact bar. So I highly suggest you run the steel impact bar, so if you do get rear-ended, it helps to give you some strength. Down the road, we'll probably make a closeout panel to hide all this, because we want to keep all of our size inside of here, because this guy likes to chase golf balls and he wants to go golfing in his Corvette, so he's got to be able to carry his 2 sets of bags. And so we can do that with this. We'll be able to put 2 sets of bags in here. It's made for an ice cooler. If you want to put an ice cooler in here, go to a show. But our biggest thing is use the steel impact bar, and you're going to have 5 bolts. 2 are a little bit longer. Those go in the top. Thanks for watching.